Your special day is tomorrow. Why aren't you here? There's nothing to be scared of besides the urethra bugs. Your fingers are made of candles. I chew on door handles, also known as doorknobs. But I'm sure you'll sneeze later. Yesterday, I asked a friend to return his collarbone made of bread. May I taste your bladder? I'm craving some guy gravy. Moisten your calendar. What's today? You day, it's you day. Fasten your seatbelts, we're going to eat ceilings. You day, it's you day. Better use your mucus cause you'll wish your name was Christopher. Your own you day, that's your day. Loving skin sometimes twice filler words, fungus, rice, birthday cake, fourth fall break.
What?
Swallow mail mention. What are you waiting for?
I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding.